The City of Fayetteville's Engineering Division recently held an engineering fair to bring awareness to Engineers Week, which is a national celebration of how engineers improve the quality of life in the community in which they work. The Engineering Division wanted to increase awareness among employees and citizens of the function of engineers within the city, as well as to inspire the next generation of local engineers to explore technical fields and consider the prospect of lending their talents to service in municipal employment. Throughout the day, participants had the chance to learn about projects that the city has been involved with, hear presentations on a variety of engineering topics, learn about traffic signal operations, and see a demonstration of a stormwater floodplain model. Participants also had a chance to speak with several of our partner consulting firms which work with us on a variety of projects. This was the city's first engineering fair, and it's estimated that there were about 150 participants.
Thank you for your service to the citizens of Fayetteville and leadership you gave to the fire department. You have unselfishly given of yourself for 35 years.
After 35 years of dedicated service to the City of Fayetteville, Fire Chief Ben Major has retired. He was honored by co-workers, family, and friends at a retirement ceremony held last month. Chief Major began as a firefighter with the Fayetteville Fire Department in 1984 and advanced through the ranks, serving in various capacities and divisions before ultimately being promoted to Fire Chief in 2011. Under his leadership, the department earned one of the highest possible recognitions by receiving a Class 1 ISO rating, which placed the department in the top 1% of all fire departments in America. The department also received international accreditation, which is a significant undertaking requiring the best efforts of all members within the department. Chief Major played a pivotal role in establishing fire service programs with E.E. Smith High School, Fayetteville Technical Community College, and Fayetteville State University. We will truly miss Chief Ben Major and his infectious smile. Deputy Chief Mike Hill has been appointed as interim chief of the department.
We're going to learn about our community, we're going to learn about ourselves.
The Fayetteville Citizens Academy Public Safety Day was held on February 26th, showcasing the work of the Fayetteville Police and Fire Departments. 25 citizens enjoyed meeting Police Chief Gina Hawkins and her staff, as well as Fire Chief Ben Major and his staff. Residents toured the 911 call center and crime information center and got hands-on presentations of the police emergency response team, urban search and rescue team, and drone aviation equipment. They also learned about crime prevention methods and got to meet the police department's canine officers. Participants also toured Fire Station 14, where they saw demonstrations involving a tactical rescue, hazmat burn-off simulation, and live fire extinguisher training. The Citizens Academy gives residents an opportunity to go behind the scenes and see City of Fayetteville employees at work. Residents can see exactly how city employees provide a high level of service every day. The next Citizens Academy class will be held this spring. For more information, go to fayettevillenc.gov/Citizens Academy.
So shops, dining, entertainment, things that would capitalize on the fact that you're in the sports and entertainment district.
The City of Fayetteville recently hosted a public presentation of the Downtown Urban Design Plan, which provides a guide for improving the downtown area. Goals outlined in the plan would lead the City of Fayetteville and its residents towards achieving the next evolution of downtown, a vibrant, attractive, and engaging destination for residents and visitors alike. The plan included transforming the City Hall block into a mixed-use sport and entertainment destination, expanding the Hay Street experience to Russell Street, improving downtown gateways, improving walkability and bikeability, managing parking, and enhancing streetscapes and public spaces. The plan also included possible locations for a new performing arts center in the downtown footprint. The plan was funded with a $100,000 state grant and was presented by consultants from Urban Design Associates. This draft plan will go before City Council in the coming months for adoption. To view the draft urban design plan, visit www.fayettevillenc.gov and click on the Around the City section on the lower left of the page. The statue of the Marquis de Lafayette in Cross Creek Park is getting a makeover. A special preservation crew is cleaning up the metal sculpture and removing years of grime and gunk that have accumulated on the statue of Fayetteville's namesake. It doesn't take long to get the statue back in tip-top shape for the public's enjoyment.